Right guys, blue or black pen for your answer and purple pen for your progress. That's right guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please drop them a like, please share them with your friends from other schools, and please tag me in any solutions that you do, okay? The more solutions you tag me in, the better it is for me. I love having feedback on what you're doing, and I love giving feedback as well. Guys, we're back to live lessons all week now, so welcome back. We're on it now, summer term, smash it out, and then hopefully in September we won't be too far behind. Now, this is a question 8 of a numeracy paper, higher tier paper 2. Okay, so you've got a calculator. Okay, remember, it's not always totally clear what they're asking you to do on numeracy. That's what makes it difficult. Now, this first question, okay, it's quite straightforward, but you've got to try to unpick the topic. Okay, calculate the angle at one of the triangular faces makes to the base of the pyramid. Now, I'm going to take this triangle where the long side is the slanty side on the pyramid. Okay, I'm going to take that and draw it out again. Now, my height is 2.1 centimeters. That's clear. Now, the bit you want to get right all the way across is 3.4. So I need to use half of that for the base of my triangle. That bit is 1.7. 2.1 up. This bit, this face over here, we don't need it yet. They're asking what the angle does it make with the base of the pyramid and one of the faces. So we need to find angle X. Now, in order to do that, we're going to use trigonometry because it's a right angle triangle. Okay, you can see the right angle by there. Once we're there, trigonometry. Okay, I label my sides. I've got my opposite, I've got my hypotenuse, and I've got my adjacent side. Okay, once I'm there, I write down SOHCAHTOA. Okay, written that down. I cross off the one I don't need. Remember, steps to trigonometry is always the same thing. I cross off my hypotenuse because I don't need that. So that's going to go and that's going to go. The triangle I'm going to use is the tan triangle. Now I'm going to write that underneath, okay, in my working out space, only because I'm running out of space over there. So I've got tan, TOA. Okay, that's my tan triangle. Once I'm there now, I want to find the angle. I want to find angle X. Now remember, when you're finding an angle in trig, it's negative tan. So I'm going to be using tan to the minus 1. Okay, now I want my angle, so I'm going to cover it. My working out is whatever's left. My working out is O divided by A. Okay, so underneath now, I do tan to the minus 1, all on my calculator. O divided by A, I got an O of 2.1 and an adjacent of 1.7. I get 51 degrees exactly. That's my angle. Now, down the bottom, they said the company knows that it costs 0.08 pence per centimetres to apply chocolate covering. Calculate the cost of applying this to all 5 faces. Now, I've got 4 triangles and a square base. Okay, so I've got to work out the surface area of all of those. Now, in order to do that, this is a triangle. Okay, I haven't got the height. So in order to work out the area of a triangle, you need to do base times height divided by 2. My base equals 3.4 centimeters. I haven't got my height. Now I need to work that out. In order to do that, I can use Pythagoras' theorem using a triangle from at the top. Okay, my 3 steps of Pythagoras. You square both sides, you add them together, and then you square root your answer. So I'm going to do those 3 steps to find out my height. So I square both my sides. Both of my sides, I square 1.7 and I square 2.1. Then I've got to add them together and then I've got to square root them. So I put all that in my calculator. My height, which is the bit that I was trying to work out a second ago, this length by here, this is the length I was trying to work out. My height is 2.7 centimeters, so that's 2.7. So if I want to work out the area of my 4 triangles, okay, I'm going to have to do the area of this, which is base times height divided by 2, so 2.7 times 3.4 all over 2, and I'm going to have to times that by 4 because I got 4 of these triangles. Okay, so 2.7 times 3.4 and all of that times by 4 gives me 18.36 centimeters squared. That's the area of my 4 triangles. I've also got a square on the bottom, so that's just going to be length times width. Thankfully, the length and the width are both 3.4. That gives me 11.56. Again, there's loads of steps in this, but it's worth 6 marks. So my total area is that plus 18.36, which I worked out earlier on. So you're just adding these two areas together. I get 29.92 centimeters squared. Now, again, it costs 8p, or 0.08 pence per centimeter squared. So I'm going to times this now for my cost. I'm going to do 29.92, which is to cover 1. I'm going to times that by 0.08 pence. It costs me 2.39 pence to cover 1 square base pyramid. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please tag your friends. Please like the video, and please take a photo of your answer and tag me at CrossMaths. Again, this is a difficult one. I'd probably push this towards 5 stars because of the number of steps. Okay, have a go, guys. Let me know how you do. Again, it's really I really enjoy your feedback.